Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the new trend effect which is going around TikTok this week called the glow look effect. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video really helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this filter is mainly for the female, where it's designed to enhance your appearance by smoothing your skin, adding a bit of makeup, a colored eye lens, and even plumping up your lips. It is also known as a catfish filter on Instagram and TikTok. So to begin with, let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover, search for Glow Look. You should see it appear under Effects. Tap on it and then check out all the videos which other people have posted. Now once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. First, choose your sound. On screen I have the recommended sound which you should play on this video. I have saved it in my recommended. Or you can choose your own choice of music. Now record your video and post it on TikTok. And there you have it, the new trend effect called Glow Look, which also is known as the catfish filter. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dab. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.